This video is dedicated to our automatic trend line charting. The trend lines are the basis of technical analysis and are drawn over pivot highs or under pivot lows to show the prevailing direction of price. Trend lines are a visual representation of support and resistance in any time frame. They show the direction and speed of price and also describe patterns during periods of price contraction. In finance, a trend line is a bounding line for the price movement of the market. It is formed when a diagonal line can be drawn between a minimum of 3 or more price pivot points. A line can be drawn between any 2 points, but it does not qualify as a trend line until tested. Let's check few examples of trend lines. Support is a price level where a downtrend can be expected to pause due to a concentration of demand or buying interest. As the price of assets or securities drops, demand for the shares increases, thus forming the support line. Meanwhile, resistance zones arise due to selling interest when prices have increased. The concepts of trading level support and resistance are undoubtedly two of the most highly discussed attributes of technical analysis. Part of analyzing chart patterns, these terms are used by traders to refer to price levels on charts that tend to act as barriers, preventing the price of an asset from getting pushed in a certain direction. Some examples. The same goes for diagonal trend lines. Our trading suite algorithm can plot trend lines automatically by simply enabling them in settings. Let's do that. Here we have two impute settings that we can adapt. Trend line's width controls the thickness of drawn lines, while trend line's length controls what frame the algorithm looks. The higher you will go, fewer trend lines will be displayed, as we would be looking at the higher time frame. For example, let's set it to 300 on the daily chart. An upper trend line is one of the most important ones in Bitcoin history. Once we've crossed that resistance, the price went to the moon. Also, the more times we get in touch on the trend line, more chances we have that support or resistance will break.